Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to remove the panels on your Profitec Pro 500. The tools you're going to need today are a 2.5 and 3 millimeter Allen wrench. We're going to start by removing your top tray. Set that aside. You can also pull out the water reservoir tank. And then I'm going to pull out our drip tray and portafilter. You're going to take your 2.5 millimeter wrench and remove the top 4 screws on the top of the panel here. And now this inside top panel comes right out, and we're going to set that aside. Once we have that top panel off, you'll be able to see inside the machine. And what we're going to do to get the bottom part of this panel loosened up, we're going to actually set the machine on nearly on its side here. I'm going to lay down a towel just to protect the side panel. Now that we have the machine on its side, I'm going to go ahead and grab your 3 millimeter Allen wrench and remove the bottom 4 screws that hold the bent side panel in place here. So the bottom of this panel is kind of connected to the whole machine, and it forms one entire piece. I'm going to bring the machine, tip it back up. And there are 2 screws that are on the inside of the tabs here, and you can see there's a little bit of an L shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen up each side, and then we'll be able to slide the panel down and out. So I'm just going to get in here and loosen it up enough so that we've got some wiggle here and it can slide down. We're going to do the same to the other side. Now that I have them both loosened up, it kind of drops down along the L, and then I can slide it right out. And the whole panel comes right off. And we'll set the whole panel aside here. So that's how you remove the panels on your Profitec Pro 500. Once you're inside, you can see the boilers and you'll be able to diagnose and troubleshoot. For additional information on using your Pro 500, check out these links here. And for more tech tips, visit our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.